guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Jayda Wayda braid for my clients, and we are using the miracle weave on for this hairstyle, and we are going to be making some stitch at the front. Guys, this is the first time I'm doing stitch braid with my nails. It's my first time of trying it, and I'm really happy that it came out so well. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, I'm Nala Pisco now. If you are a returning subscriber, you are very much welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate you. I love you all. So let's continue our video. So this style is my first time of trying stitch braid with my nails. I've not done it before. I usually do normal weaving, but this year I've decided to do stitch braid for my customers. So this is the first time I'm trying this stitch braid, and I'm doing this for the first time for this client, and I'm really happy that it came out so beautifully. So guys, I will see you at the end of the video. Enjoy the video and relax. I hope you learn one or two from this video. Relax, enjoy this video, and I will see you at the end. guys, we are almost at the end of the stitch cornrows at the front. So after that, I'll go ahead and fix the weave on at the back, and then water the coils, and I'll show you the final look. I will do that off camera because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so I'll do the fixing at the back. If you want any video request, please put it on the comment section. I'll be glad to do a video for you guys. So this is the final look, and this hairstyle was done on a natural hair, a very short natural hair. We made this hairstyle, and look at the final look. I hope you like it. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one. Bye. My client loves her hair. That's very important. And I also love how the hair came out. I also love it. That's so important, and I'm sure you too, you will like it. See you on my next one. Bye.